Does that not look good? Got them jalapenos mixed in there. Smells like a good old jalapeno burger. What's going on, guys? We have a good one today. We're going to go over this beast of a machine right here. This is the Sportsman's Valley number 32 commercial grade grinder, and it is a hoss, and I'm looking forward to using it. Haven't turned it on yet, so we're going to be doing this all together for the first time. But it doesn't matter if you're like us, a family of 8 with 6 kids, or if you're a home chef or you're a hunter or whatever it is, you like to prepare your own sausage, ground beef, or whatever it is. This machine right here will take care of it. So let's bump in, let's grind it out, and let's check it out. Here we go. All right, guys, we're going to do a quick breakdown real quick. This is how the machine comes. You get your sausage tubes, you get your mixing claws, you get your grinding plates, you get the, this right here is your, I'm not sure what you call it, but you push it down. This is what pushes all the meat down in the hole right here, which we'll get to in a minute so you don't cut a finger off. We don't want that. But this is how it comes right here. Super easy to install. It can be intimidating because you're like, man, this is a big old box. But this is your main unit right here with your motor and everything else. And then this unit right here comes in just like this. And all it does, no tools required. It just pops in just like that. It's got a set screw. You kind of screw that in, which keeps this right here locked into place. Tighten that down. And your meat tray right here, which literally just pops on top. This right here is the, that's how you push the meat down. And then of course right here, you can spin this off right here to change out your grinding plates. You see, it is high quality. Your grinding plates, clean the machine. It's pulling out the grinder, the little spool thing. And that's it. I mean, it's super easy to do. You add in your sausage tubes if you're doing any of that kind of stuff as well. And yeah, and then when you put that in, you just spin this back on. Just like that, and you're ready to grind. So that's awesome. Let's get into some details of the machine. All right, guys, let's talk about power real quick. This machine right here will pretty much do anything that you want it to do. It has a 1.5 horsepower motor. This sucker's a toad. Also, the good thing about it, 110 volt plug. You can plug this guy up anywhere you're at. We're right here in our RV. This is going to be our grinding headquarters here at the Goat Rope headquarters. But 110 volt, plug that in right there. And the awesome thing about it, 880 pounds of meat an hour. This dude right here, it'll pretty much grind anything that you want to throw at it. It also has overload protection if you're worried about your motor burning up or anything like that, but it's got the power. Let's look at some more stuff. All right, guys, in durability and build, this machine right here will do it all. High quality, heavy duty stainless steel, rust resistant, food grade safe. And the teardown, it's a piece of cake. You just unscrew a couple little pieces, break it out, wash her down, store her up. You're good to go for next time. All right, guys, the enhanced auger and grinding plates make this thing right here a breeze. So we've got the 10 millimeter plate right here. We also have a 4.5 plate right up in here as well. So it doesn't matter what it is. If it's tender cuts, if it's wild game, this machine right here will grind it up. And the good thing about it, high quality stainless steel. All right, guys, you heard me mention a while ago, sausage. Everybody loves sausage. This machine right here will not just do hamburger. It will also do your sausage as well. It comes with a 35 millimeter tube, a 25 millimeter tube, a 15 millimeter tube. And the best thing, it comes with your meat stomper right here. So you can jam it down in that hole right there and you come out with some clean sausage cuts, push straight through your tubes right here. So I'm really looking forward to this right here. I know you're gonna have to go out and buy, you know, all the sausage making stuff. Not really sure what that entails just yet, but I'm looking forward to it. And I'm glad this machine right here comes with everything that I need to kind of get me started in that process. All right, guys, you heard all that right there. We went through pretty much all the basic stuff of this machine right here. It has a 6-year limited lifetime warranty. It has lifetime customer support on it as well. The Valley Sportsman's Group, they stand by their products. It is a I'm telling you, it's a high quality product. This sucker right here is, I don't know what it weighs, but it is heavy. And it is a 1.5 horsepower, great value for this machine right here. And I'm looking forward to many, many, many years of usage with it. And it's going to be great. So we're about to get to grinding. We've got some meat in the fridge right here. we're gonna grind it up. And I think on today's menu is jalapeno burgers. So let's get to grinding. Let's get to pushing. 4.5 millimeter. We're gonna push it out. We're gonna see how it performs. All right, I'm looking forward to this part right here. So we're gonna get everything prepped up right here. We got our gloves. We got our pan. Let's get our meat out right here. We've got our meat cut, already cut up. As I said, we're gonna do some jalapeno burgers. I've already diced them up. So we got some diced up jalapenos right here. That's gonna be good. And this right here is just chunk roast, just pot chunk roast. I actually took this last night, diced it. I didn't dice it up. I sliced it up right here into slices. And so we got our meat right there as well. So yeah, let's plug her up. 110 volt right here. As you heard me say a while ago, we're gonna pop her in. I don't even know if I mean, I went through it. Let's see. Woo! Sounds like some grinding machine. We're gonna try a couple right here with no jalapenos. I know you can mix them with the after you grind, but we're gonna try to grind some jalapenos in the meat. I've read where you get a little bit better juices and that kind of stuff kind of go through. We went with the chunk pot roast right here because they say it's the closest to 80-20. Couldn't get it out. Closest to 80-20 that you can get. So we'll show here. I'll also get the camera over here in a minute, show you a little close up of the meat process. But I guess we just get all of our meat up here in our tray here. Get some meat up here in the tray. We're gonna put I don't know, some of that right there. We're gonna put that in there. All right, here we go. We're gonna get to grinding. Woo! Look at that! We got some fresh burger. I'll check that out right there. Isn't that cool? I didn't have to use the meat pusher here. Guess I could have put more meat in it. Look at that. Now that right there is going to be some good burger. What do y'all think? I got Wyatt and Evie back here. Got Wyatt and Evie back here behind the camera. And that right there, let's check it out real quick before we do anything. We ain't done anything. Oh, let's patty that out. Oh, y'all look at that right there. Doesn't that look good? Yeah. Oh, a fresh burger. We're looking forward to that one. Awesome. So now let's do some with some jalapenos in it. So you've seen that part. Let's do some jalapenos. So, awesome. How are we going to do this right here? I guess we're just going to grab some of our meat here. We're just going to do the same kind of thing. Just going to do a few little chunks of meat. And we're going to take our jalapenos right here. As I said, they're already kind of diced up. We're just going to grab some. Put them on there like that right there. Oh, yeah, boy. Let me, Evie, come here. I got Evie right here. Let me get Evie over here real quick. I got gloves on. Grab my phone out of my pocket. You know how to turn it on, right? Yeah. All right, go to the camera right here. We're gonna show you a little phone camera action. Go to the video mode and turn it the other way. Turn it the other way, horizontal there. Oh, yep, there you go. Turn it right there. Now get down here and show them this right here. So they can kind of see that. Hit record there. So this right here is our meat. We got our jalapenos. Show the whole process right here. We're gonna flip it on. And see, we just kind of got it mixed up in there like that. We're just grinding her down. Drop some jalapenos in there. Come over here on this side, Evie. Kind of show it up and look at that right there. See them jalapenos mixed in there? Let's get some more. Let's keep going. Show it dropping down in there. Oh man. I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting hungry. Let's put more jalapenos! More jalapenos! Man. We grinding her up, boys. That's just about it. Got a few more. Gotta get that out. Oh my goodness, look at that. So if you like jalapeno burgers, put a comment down below and let me know. Shoo! Let her run for a minute. What do you think? Still trying to ease out. You know what we're having for supper tonight?
Burgers!
Burgers! Woo! I think that's just about it. So that right there is the Valley Sportsman number 32 commercial grade grinder right there. Y'all check this out right here. That is a good consistency. Nice and packed in. Y'all look at that right there. Does that not look good? Got them jalapenos mixed in there. Smells like a good old jalapeno burger. So anyway, that is that right there. She is packed in really good. That is the 4.5 grinding plate right there. And it appears, as you can see right here, I'm just kind of real quick, just grabbing a few right here and patting them out. And we got some good patties. Just like that right there, piece of cake. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to do some patty mixing. But that right there, guys should check this guy out right here. We'll put some links down here below just to kind of know where to pick one of these up right here. But this right here is not no box store grinder or anything like that. This guy right here is something you'd find in a commercial grade kitchen somewhere. And it's awesome. Looking forward to it. So, full disclosure, they did send me this to do a review on it, but that is literally my first take. Right, Evie? Yeah. Evie's not going to lie to you. Is that my first take, Evie?
Yeah.
First take. First time using it. Real reaction. Was that a real reaction? Yeah. Real reaction because her daddy's crazy. And so, yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. Do I love hamburgers? Yeah. It's my favorite. All right, guys, let me show you real quick the disassemble. You're still with us. We're going to put our meat and all this good stuff right over here just for a second. The way this right here disassembles, I have not done this yet, but we'll just pull this off right here. Boop. Got that off. I would say the most important thing is to unplug it from the wall, okay? So unplug it from the wall. When you do that right there, you should be good to go. You saw me a while ago. We actually assembled this. Pull out your set screw. And we'll kind of jiggle this guy around a little bit. Pull that out just like that right there. You see there's no meat or anything down here on this end because this is just your motor. So I know the first time I saw one of these, I was thinking I was going to clean this big old box. This box is clean, ready to roll. This is all you have to clean right here. This and this over here. Let me show you how easy it is to disassemble. And I only did this whenever I unboxed it yesterday. I don't know really what it's going to look like, being that we used it as a grinder. But as you see, we got a little bit of meat up in there, which that'll be an easy clean out. And then this guy right here should, yeah, you can just kind of push on that this piece down here on the bottom, and that'll actually all slide out. You see right there's a little bit of grind up in there. This is going to be an easy clean out. There's no crazy grooves. We'll put that there and probably just run it through the dishwasher. Our grinding plate is where the most of the meat is kind of caked in, which that's just holes. We can run that through the sink. And we got a little bit of meat here left. Take that off. Throw it in our meat pile. And then of course there's your cutting blade. On there, it's got a little groove set. It's real easy to remember. There's a square right there. It just kind of slides on right there. Boom, and then here's your spindle. which is an easy clean. So that is it on the cleaning wise. And then clean up whatever mess you got here and you're good to go. Go in there and wash this right here. And that's it. So that's awesome. So if you were interested on the cleaning aspect of the Valley Sportsman number 32 piece of cake. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys. If you like this kind of content, let me know in the comments. And yeah, so we're going to get to making some burgers this year and having some fun with this guy. I got to learn how to do some sausage. And I'll share with you guys when I learn how to do the sausage. And we'll make some sausage together. So anyway, hey, y'all have a good one. Get outside. Enjoy being outside. If you got kids, enjoy spending time with them. If you don't have kids, find somebody to mentor. Get outside and have a good time. See y'all.